Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos with rice flour. Start by mixing rice flour, water, oil, and salt into a pliable dough, then rest it for 30 minutes. Roll the dough thin between parchment sheets and cut into triangles. Brush with oil and bake or shallow fry until edges are crisp and golden. Layer with cheese, salsa, beans, and jalapenos, then finish under a broiler for bubbling toppings. Warm and friendly tip: hydrate rice flour properly to avoid gritty chips. After mixing, let the dough rest covered for 30 minutes so the flour absorbs water and softens. Work on a lightly floured surface and roll between parchment to get ultra-thin, even triangles. Keep some scraps to re-roll once. Thin chips crisp faster and hold toppings without becoming soggy, making them perfect for loaded nachos that stay crunchy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to clean crumbs off the floor while you cook, and it saves time for extra nacho experimenting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the best texture, bake chips at a high temperature until edges just brown and the centers are set. Brush each chip lightly with oil and a sprinkle of salt or spice before baking to boost flavor. When assembling nachos, layer cheese between chips so the heat melts it thoroughly. Then add fresh toppings like pico, avocado, and cilantro after baking to keep them vibrant and cool contrast to the hot, cheesy base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.